Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Life with Style. How are you friends? Hope so you all are doing well and are fine in your lives. So dear viewers, warmly welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to share most beautiful and stylish ideas about Pixie bob short wavy hair designs and ideas. So dear viewers, in this channel by this channel in this video you can get very eye-catching ideas about short haircut designs for the gorgeous ladies. So dear viewers, if you are new at my channel, please first of all subscribe my channel, and I suggested to watch my video till end because today this video is full of very trendy and very stylish ideas of wavy short hair designs. So dear viewers, I suggested you to remain in touch with this amazing video for more beautiful and elegant designs and ideas about haircut. Because when you watch this video till end, for more designs and more stylish ideas you can get, and you will know about beautiful designs one by one from this video. So dear viewers, if you like all these eye-catching collection and eye-catching ideas of short wavy hairs, then please subscribe my channel and share my video to your family members and your friends. And also give me your feedback in your comment section, because especially for my videos in this comment box, your comments are very valuable for me. And dear viewers, tell me how was the video and the collection of short wavy hairs. And also press the bell icon button, because by doing this you can get my upcoming and uploaded videos timely. So dear viewers, you can get an amazing ideas from this video. So dear friends, I always try my best to show you very beautiful and very trendy and updated content and useful and stylish ideas. So dear viewers, keep watching and stay blessed. Take care.